Before using Silk and Sensapeel, shave the area you plan to treat. Then, make sure the skin is completely dry and clean. Now, you're ready to begin. Before you plug in Silk and Sensapeel, make sure the disposable lamp cartridge is inserted properly in the applicator tip. Plug one end of the power cord into the base unit and the other end into a nearby electrical outlet. The standby indicator light on the control panel will illuminate. Then, press the power switch to turn Silk and Sensapeel on. At this point, the power on indicator light will illuminate. Setting the energy level determines the intensity of the light pulses projected onto your skin during treatment. While higher energy levels are more effective, they may also involve more risk and discomfort. To set the energy level, press the plus-minus energy level setting buttons until the desired energy level is displayed with the energy level indicator lights. For your first Silk and Sensapeel session, only use the lowest energy level. If you experience little or no discomfort during and after the first session, try raising the energy level one step higher for your next session. Once the ready indicator light is illuminated, you can begin treatment. Silk and Sensapeel works most effectively when light pulses are applied in successive rows on the skin. To begin your Silk and Sensapeel session, choose one end of the area you wish to treat. Place the applicator tip to the location, making sure that all the edges of the lamp cartridge window are in full contact with the skin. Then, press the pulse button to deliver a pulse. Silk and Sensapeel comes with a built-in safety feature ensuring that light pulses are emitted only when the applicator tip and lamp cartridge are facing the skin. Only then will the pulse button trigger a light pulse. If you find the reflected light too bright, you may close your eyes just before pressing the pulse button. During the first pulse in each session, the skin tone sensor always measures the skin tone in the area of application. If a pulse is not emitted and the skin tone warning indicator light illuminates, the skin at the applied area of the body is too dark for safe use. After the light pulse is delivered, Silk and Sensapeel will charge for the next pulse. Wait for the ready indicator light to illuminate. This will take about 3.5 seconds. Then, place the applicator tip on the adjacent area of skin and deliver the next pulse the same way. Make sure pulses are administered adjacent to one another. Continue working in the same direction, right to left or left to right. Try to avoid overlapping and stacking of the pulses, as this may increase the risk of adverse effects. You can use Silk and Sensapeel the same way for other areas on the arms, legs, underarms, bikini line, and so on. Always treat adjacent patches of skin one after the other. After you've completed a full row of skin patches, move to the next row. In a very short time, you'll learn how to operate Silk and Sensapeel quickly, safely, and effectively for pleasing long-term hair removal.